Hey, what's up guys? So Ulefone has announced the Ulefone PowerArmor 18 and the Ulefone PowerArmor 19. These two rugged devices will be launching on January 9th next year. These two rugged devices are very comparable to the Ulefone PowerArmor 18T. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Ulefone PowerArmor 19. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are the top features and specs of the Ulefone PowerArmor 19. The Ulefone PowerArmor 19 is a mid-range rugged smartphone that is designed to withstand rough conditions, just like other rugged devices. It has a 6.58-inch display with a full HD Plus resolution and a fast refresh rate of 120 Hz. With such a display, I expect the Ulefone PowerArmor 19 to provide a smooth and responsive performance. The display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5, which is known for its durability and scratch resistance. The phone is powered by the Helio G99 processor, which is a mid-range to high-end chip that should provide good performance for most tasks. It has 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, with the option to expand the storage using an SD card. The RAM could also be expanded virtually. An additional 5GB could be added to 12GB of RAM, giving you a total of about 17GB. The Ulefone PowerArmor 19 runs on the Android 12 OS. It has a 108MP primary camera and a 32MP front-facing camera, which should provide high-quality photos and videos. The phone has a large 9600mAh battery and it supports 66W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. It also has 15W wireless charging, which is convenient for charging the phone without having to use a cable. It supports NFC, which allows for contactless payments and other NFC-enabled features. PowerArmor 19 has high levels of water and dust resistance with IP68 and IP69K ratings. This means it should be able to withstand being submerged in water and withstand high-pressure water jets, making it suitable for use in wet environment. It also has Wi-Fi 6, which provides fast and reliable wireless connectivity. Finally, it has an instant read thermometer, which can be used to quickly and accurately measure the temperature of objects or surfaces. These are the top features of the Ulefone PowerArmor 19. Like I said earlier, PowerArmor 19 and the PowerArmor 18 will be launching on January 9th next year. And during that time, the price of the Ulefone PowerArmor 19 will be about $260. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Ulefone PowerArmor 19? Share in the comment section below, and of course I'll be comparing the Ulefone PowerArmor 18 and the PowerArmor 19 to see which of the two devices is best. I also compared the Ulefone PowerArmor 18 with the Ulefone PowerArmor 18T. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.